Now we are going to solve question number 4 of exercise 7a. Question is, complete the table for each circle A, B, C and D. Here different measurements are given for each part. As you can see, in A part radius is given 10 centimeter and we have to find out the diameter. So what is the formula to find out the diameter? What is the relationship between diameter and radius? We know that diameter is 2 times of radius. D is equal to 2r. So D is equal to 2 multiplied by, what is the value of r given in the question? 10 centimeter. 2 into 10 and it will be 20 centimeter. Now we have found the diameter, that is 20 centimeter. Now we have radius and diameter both, and we have to find out the circumference. So the formula to find out the circumference is pi multiplied by d or 2 pi r. We have the both values, diameter and radius. So we can apply any one of the formula. We can put the value of d or even we can put the value of r. If we put pi multiplied by d, pi is equal to 22 over 7 or 3.14 multiplied by d is equal to 20. And when we will solve, C is equal to 3.14 multiplied by 20 and it will be 62.8 centimeter. Now circumference is 62.8 and area. To find out the area of circle, we have the formula pi r square. Pi is 3.14 and r is equal to, radius is 10 square. So 3 multiplied by 3.14 multiplied by 100. 10 tens are 100. By taking the square of 10, 3.14 multiplied by 100. As when we will take the square of 10, it means we multiplied the 10 by itself. 10 tens are 100 and 100 multiplied by 3.14 and we will get 314. So 314 is the area of the circle. So 314 cm square. And on the same pattern we can find out the value of in the B part. In the same way we can find out the values of B part. As in B part you can see diameter is given, that is 3.6, and we can find out r. As we know, r is equal to d over 2. So 3.6 over 2 is equal to 3.6 divided by 2 is equal to 1.8. So radius is 1.8 meter. And circumference, to find out the circumference, 2 pi r. In A part we use the formula pi multiplied by d, and here we will use 2 pi r. So 2 multiplied by 3.14 multiplied by 1.8. 3.14 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1.8, 11.3. Circumference is 11.3 meter. And for area, area of circle A is equal to pi r square. Pi is equal to 3.14. R is equal to, what is the value of R we have found? 1.8. 1.8 square. So when we will take the square of 1.8 multiplied by 1.8, 3.24. 3.24 multiplied by 3.14, 10.2. So area is 10.2 cm square. 10.2 square meter.